Jamrock home. Presents. The Reject. Jamaican movies full. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
My wife?
Yes, my husband.
I have a long day, my wife.
How did it go?
My wife, I'm tired.
Alright, come and lay down a little bit. I was just dozing away, you know. Oh Lord, you look so mashed up. So what happened? It turned out alright? What happened?
My wife, Errol's mother give me a warm time, you know.
She give you a warm time for what? So where's the little girl?
My wife, I didn't even know where to start, my wife.
What you mean you don't know where to start? So where she's at? You bring her back here?
No, my wife, I tell her
Oh!
to go over Errol's yard.
Okay, that sounds good. I like that.
Imagine my wife, right?
Mm-hmm.
I go there and I see the woman going to say she a go a walk. You understand what I'm saying, my wife? And I tell her what took place. Here where the woman a come tell me, say, no, my wife. If me sure say, me with daughter no have more than one man.
What the hell you saying to me? What you mean by she tell you say our daughter have more than one man?
Yes.
Me know say my daughter not telling any lie. I know that. Where she get her rubbish and her garbage from? She know that we raise up her picnic very well.
My wife, the woman
Don't
a
get me
beat
upset.
round the bush, she a beat round
Don't
the
get
bush,
me
she a
upset.
beat round the bush, my wife. Me I tell you.
I don't understand what you're saying to me because you see I was the one go up there and she said that to me. I would lend her this right hand in her face.
The
You know
wife,
that?
one of the time,
I would have
me
lent
a
it to
walk
her.
away. The woman run down for me and hold me, nearly drop me and my wife. Me a fear say to her, say, what you want to do? Push me down?
You ask her if she want to push it,
She
so
a
you
say-
not chuck her back down.
No, my wife.
Oh,
She dead there and she a saw soap me a tell me about say, me no feel load up in the district like say, everybody now gonna know say she pregnant.
Everybody have to know.
Huh?
So what she want to do, just because them think that them better off than us. Eh? So she don't want anybody to know that our boy pregnant with
No,
picnic?
she want
Is
we
that?
she want we just sweep it under the carpet like say nothing never happened.
Okay.
I tell her I'm not into that. The
Not
woman
at
district
all.
wanna know about
And
it.
we going to tell everybody, so if she go hide the pregnancy, we won't hide it.
Exactly
So too bad
right.
if she want to hide it. You hear what I said? Because them go like them better than other people. Well, if them did better than other people, why she never talk to her son? Eh? If she feels that we too down there, she should have never make her son pregnant with picnic.
My wife, what is the beauty about this situation, you know, my wife? If me dey ever see the boy, you know, my wife, me no know it da work out, you know, because me and him da roll a dirty, you know.
How you mean if you
I
and him would have
throw
roll?
me walking stick, and when me climb up, you know, my wife,
You would have show him who is the man. And you would have to teach him that he must keep him pee-pee pot in and clothes and don't use it on people picnic. Because him spoil with nice, good up, clean picnic. Future then now. Eh?
my wife, where you think our church brother and sister them are gonna say now where this happen? This shame come in our yard, eh?
They are going to look bad on us. They are going to say that we know all these things, you know, and they know that we are struggling and we try to grow the picnic the right way, but they're going to say all manner of evil now that this happened. You know that they're going to say all manner of evil. Who is going to stand up and say that we're trying to raise her properly? Huh? Nobody is going to say anything. But I am glad you take her up there. So
Right.
she that talk about you, they load it up. Tell her no worry herself because we're going to make everybody know what is happening.
My wife,
Oh.
I'm telling you, my wife, I feel so bad. Look how we daughter have a bright future
She's
ahead
so
of her.
bright. She's a bright little
What
girl, you
could
know.
have come in her arm, my wife? Tell me now.
I
What
don't
could have come
know.
in her arm
I
to do such
can't-
stupid thing? Huh?
We never know that she was so stupid. We never know, you know.
Look how we sit down with her and we counsel her. Eh?
And what she sending her back to school, she not only make she don't stay up there and have pure bikini. I
Send her
hope
back to school. You hear what she said to it?
what she said to us.
She said, but say, our daughter no look like she want to go back to school.
So,
My wife, when the woman
after she
said
so
that to me, my wife, me I tell you say, a piece of rage coming on me heart, you know, my wife. Only God alone himself take away that anger from me, you know.
But she
Because
wrote.
our son do that to his daughter, and she a come suggest that.
And she don't say anything about her son. She don't say anything. She don't say her son wrong and should keep him pee pot where it belongs. She don't say nothing.
Nothing at all, my wife. Only thing she a do a pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. And I talk about say, if it's a boy or a girl, it's gonna in good hands. Like
Oh,
Lord. She did a wait on something like this.
What you saying to me? But if she was waiting on something like this, she wouldn't tell her to keep it on a low profile. So that means she confused. Let me tell you something. You see that woman? She go on like she clean and nice, you know, but you know that it look like her mother knock her head when she did have her.
To me,
It's like he dropped the baby and her head knock. Because she could never in a night clean clothes and chatting like a fool. Why all the time these people that dress nice look good and all of that, them head never right?
they never have a good upstairs.
You go to the madman, they have a good upstairs, you know that?
and
They
a
talk
good
so.
reasoning ability.
That's what I'm
Because
saying. They're conscious of what they're saying.
my wife,
Huh?
Jesus. My husband, I really don't like these kind of talking. But anyway,
The child is no longer in our house, so they have to take care of it.
exactly.
You understand what I'm
Exactly.
saying?
and I was thinking about something, my husband.
What now, my wife?
I was thinking about, I wonder if we do the right thing by sending her.
Oh, you mean, yes, we do the right thing. Send her out of the house.
It's not that. I was saying that because we don't have
anything. Maybe she shouldn't stay with us where she mind we. Because
Oh,
we
she
don't
have a
have-
mind with my wife and she
mind
have
we
a
with
job.
it. I don't mean our daughter. I mean my daughter mother-in-law. Remember say them have a little something, So feel say if the little girl down here, just because she want to take shame out of the eye, she will send a good amount of money come down here weekend time so we can drop offering and we can buy grocery and we can do any little thing we want to do. You know what I mean?
I was just laying down and I'm thinking about that. I don't know if it's the right thing.
What you think?
My wife, me not agree with that, my wife.
Why you don't agree with? We don't have anything, and now that the little girl gone, who is going to take care of us and who is going to give us something?
The Lord will provide. The Lord will provide, my wife. Don't worry yourself, man. You don't have to think like that, my wife. Right?
Okay, my husband.
We will manage.
You sure?
Yes, my wife, we will manage. And our daughter is not stupid,
I miss
She's
her.
not stupid.
You don't miss her?
I miss her, yes, my wife, but I'm still hurting inside. Probably later on things will change. You understand, my wife? But for now, I don't want to see her. I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to see her.
I lay down and I was thinking about my one daughter that God blessed me with, and I said, sometimes things happen and we can't just rush to fling them out. And what if she go out there and start to pregnant like everybody else and having this whole ton of picnic for different father? We don't want nothing bad to happen to we one picking.
So what you want to do?
I don't know. I was just saying it to you because you
You're
are
sure
the man
that
of
the
the
money
house.
make you want she come back here, my wife? You're sure that the money? Because me know you,
No, my husband.
No, my husband is not the money. I just feel lonely because when you're not around, me and her can hold a proper reasoning.
Understand?
Because she's conscious. She's a conscious little girl, I believe it's a mistake. It's a coincidence. I believe maybe that wicked boy is the one that purposely pregnant her, Me feel says the boy purposely pregnant her. because he no want to see she come out to be nothing. Because everybody know that we picnic is a bright picnic.
And don't think that is really the money. The money is not it. It's just that I miss her.
All we do, my wife, tonight before we go to bed, we just pray and ask the Lord to direct we.
Yes,
And
alright.
to give you the right way of going about this situation.
Yes,
there,
because
right?
sometimes when we upset, we
do
do
something.
some
I
crazy
agree.
stuff and we say some things that is not right because the matter come up same time and we think that anger is the best solution to the problem when it's not always so, you know. Sometimes we need to calm down,
That's true, my
relax,
wife.
think about the matter before we just anything come out of our mouth with this pitchy out. It's because of why in our heart, you know.
Exactly, my wife. So,
And
make we think about it tonight.
alright then.
Understand?
Alright, my husband, tell you what it past time for your dinner, you know. You wash the rice for me and I will cut up the meat, honey.
Yes, my
I
wife.
know you're tired, but
We
I
have
know
to-
you're hungry.
Alright, my wife.
I
Alright.
want to cut up the chicken back, you hear?
Alright,
How
my
you
wife.
want it, curry or stew?
You can curry it. You can
Alright.
curry it, my wife.
Alright, go ahead, let us make our dinner.
Oh boy. This situation, my wife. Ah.
It's a part of life, honey. How am my man room there? My God, this bed here looks so good. Look, Polly, the kind of sheet after mama now have them here sheet here. Kuya, I'm in man room, see me man picture there. How am me man there? Me put down me teddy bear them pan in bed. Oh, I make that the pillow drop down so. Put on me teddy bear pan in bed. I make this up. How am me man there? Oh, then me man have in one bathroom and he make me bed in the guest bathroom. You wait till he come here. He go and see what me and him go and have out. So he can make his wife bed in the bathroom. Watch me and him in here. Because if he thinks that me and no guest here, me and wife, so what make me can bed in a film bathroom. Let me just write down some of the same thing them what me want. So me give one list of what me want. Oh, for my picnic. That me they tell you think me stupid. Me have everything locked in my head. Me want about 20 shimmies. That's only a little bit, but he can start off with 20. That a little bit, man. And me no think, me no want a nappy. Me want Huggies Pampers. Maybe he can buy about 5 or 6 pack. Are the 20 pack them? I think a 20 all in a them. He can buy 5 of that. I think that's reasonable. Cause all a bit for them. They can afford more than that. Why else me don't want for right now? And me they go want some wipes too. Hungry wipes alone. And what else me picnic don't want? And he want the sitting too. And what else me could buy for me picnic?
Petra, what are you doing in my bed?
Me man, you oh you mean what me then? You're not even show me your bedroom and me have to search and find Nina.
Petra, you can't stay in here saying what if mama can see you.
I ain't me room me picking you idiot. What when you grab up me sofa? You want me about me picnic? Don't treat me so cause me and your wife start hanging me like me and your wife. You want me say? And make me tell you something. You make me go in the guest bathroom, go wash up making. Why you never tell me say you have your one bathroom?
Petra, just me I beg you,
Go
Petra.
in the bed and shut up your mouth,
Listen
cause
up,
me have
Petra.
sitting for say to you.
Petra, listen what me I say now. If you really love me, me could go in the living room go sit down.
Why
Because
make
me no want mama come see.
Me nah go in no living room. Me tired and me want sleep in your bedroom cause in here so me have to sleep. Cause me I wonder why make your mother not come back yet.
Lie down, cause we have to talk about some sitting. Me there when they write down some sitting what me want, you know.
If me sit down, you promise me say we are going to...
Me not promise you that, to be honest. I hear some me want and. But me only when they write down a few things what the baby want. Yeah. Me baby want 20 shimmies. You know
What
that?
do you mean by write down when baby I go want? You sure say baby I go live Petra?
Yes, me sure say me picnic they go live. What make you happy see so? And me want
But
5
anything
pack
can't
of
make baby, you're not even your belly, you're showing you.
what
You
that have
write
to do
down
with
things
me?
already.
Well, listen to me. Me no
You
want
know,
be
make
like
mama write down then something that
me don't want be like the foolish virgin. Me they make sure I have oil in a me lamp reserve. So me now go wait until you think me choppy like them other people. When them they have picnic, they wait till the appointed time and they tell you to run up and down like a dance. They try to get what picking they want. Well, alright, too bad. Me have everything prepared. So if you no want here, me will give you the long list of what me have. And tomorrow morning, me want write one list for tomorrow morning too. Because when they left for school, me want something thing. When you go to school, me want ice cream. And me want you buy some.
We want ice cream for do.
And where you raise a vice for me for? And where you raise a vice for me for? And me want you buy one pack of lollipop for me. The bun them.
Me a walk?
Who cares if
Me
you
a
want to
walk?
walk?
Eh? Me a walk?
You see say you want me get very dirty in here. Me see say you want me lose me head pa you. Listen to me. Back up and fix up yourself, you know. You want me to say to you? You hear me I want you? From me come here, you legal and like I say. You only want to treat me like a piece of old cloth. Fix up your statement, you know. Cause you know say me will deal with your case, you know.
I wonder when me really put myself.
It's too late to my time if he tell you that.
That's
Oh,
why
my tell me
virgin
if you tell
them
her
always
that.
a tell me say, no pick up no woman when I walk and sit me, you know.
Well?
I know the family them where you are going, you know.
But you never take
sorry,
it.
me even meet you.
What you sorry for? What you sorry for?
Because
Let
all
me
you
tell you
come now, all you want is just for a crepe.
Me
You know.
the crepe.
I just crepe, you come here to
When you win the crepe from me, when me the
When
gas
the crepe
school, me
fry you.
can't even name lunch in peace because you take it out of me mouth. I know that me pregnant for you. You want to come talk about me the crepe. Let me tell you something. You see, if you when they keep your hose and then pee-pee in me, the two of we won't pregnant. It's you pee-pee in me and the two of we pregnant. So now you want to go hang me like say me a dog. Don't treat me like say me a dog round here, you know. You better start treat me like me and your wife. That me I tell you. Oh.
Wife after me not married to you.
Oh, you mean say you're not married to me? You have been married to me. You hear what me say? You have been married to me. I drop me a make. When they come to me and they know say, this is when don't happen to you. And that's wrong with you, no man. You know one think before you do nothing. You know just blaze up. And that's you know a ground, you know that. And then after you know blaze up, you know how to. You try left me alone in my house. Oh, that me I tell you. And tomorrow morning me no think say me don't want to get up neither. You make me breakfast and can't come give me in a bed. Oh, I want you call lie down and hug up me and rub down the picnic. I picnic want go sleep now.
Petra, what me I try if you say, right?
Me I listen to you.
What if when me that think when me come in, right? Me know you get upset.
Well, if you know that same thing for make me upset now, but as is you know.
What if me and mama pay for about the baby and then we pay you and your mother and father some money? What do you think about that?
Madman! You mad? You know me feel good about this pregnancy? Don't you dare tell me nothing about you and mama about what? Me I don't afraid for you and frown.
Come to you. So
mama go come to me.
And suggest that does tell her say yes.
Me if he say yes. I'm glad say me catch up here. Look here. Me in a paradise. And me if you go bad picnic, you must have mad. I want to kill you in here with your picnic. And that me they tell you. Me say me now get up tomorrow, so you better make sure you get up and give me egg and bread with sausage. And frankfurters too. And me no know what for talking with you. Me never feel this a bed. This bed feel good, eh? How the bed? Where you go, me man?
When mean by what me I go? Me
Come
not
on.
stay in there so. Me a stay in there so till mama come. Me a go
Come
in
here,
there.
man. Me have seen fi say to you.
So
Come,
say
come,
me
come
not
here,
listen me. Mama was a respective.
Respective house. Mama house a respective house. You never know that. You see how you a bad man at school. And now cause you pregnant me, you get humble. Anyhow you raise your voice for me again, you will see. Me come right down at school and make teacher everybody know say you breed me. And that me I tell you. And me they go rest the baby. You hear me, man? Me go rest the baby. How you don't give me for dessert? How you don't give me?
Come on down with me now, me man. Me they go sleep till your mother come. If when me they sleep and your mother come, tell your mother say, me we talk to her in the morning. Yeah, yeah? You hear what me say? And why am I going to suffer? You know, should I'm glad say, me not even quarrel with him. He should I'm glad say, me in our house, in our bed. So anything at all he want to do to me. Why? Oh God. Feel this idea. Eh? She said nothing much me no write on this a paper yet. When I done the paper full up. Mama, Papa should have seen me now. Eh. I boy they gonna like I say me stupid enough. I saw everybody always think say me stupid. If he come lie down and we talk like husband and wife, he no have to talk say we dey go about nothing. No. He make we lie down and talk how we don't get married at that thing for you do. Because me want one big old ring for my finger. And that thing for you know.
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. Give up and Christ to them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, we to celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over.
What is a bitter man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel